So there are many ways that we can this challenge to understand, like the time of the Prophet ﷺ, it was a recitation challenge. No one can have this kind of recitation or this kind of recital. The Quran itself meaning is a recital. And it has melodies, it has rhythm, it has a beauty, and it makes people, souls, to be happy with the listening of the Quran and to read the Quran. And no one was able to accept this challenge, but the Quran has a different aspects of challenge of as a miracle. Like the Quran was produced an empire which was ruled the world for 1,000 years. The Quran has a best life, the clean life, the free from idol worshipping, free from injustices, free from evil doings, with love for parents and love for wives and children and brothers, sisters and relatives and all human beings. The Quran has a law for economics, the Quran has a law for social life, the Quran has a law for every aspect of the life to give us the best life, the people who follow the Quran. There are some scientific information which is never available for more than 1,000 years, more than 1,300, 400 years. And it's already in the Quran about the creation, about the universe, about human beings, about plants, animals, about ocean. For example, the Quran said that these clouds are very heavy. And we are surprising to see that we saw the clouds looks like very light. Every person can see the clouds. No, it's not looks heavy, it's very light. But the Quran said, it's khala, it's very heavy. The clouds are very heavy. And now the modern science tells us that the clouds are heavy because it contains water. The minimum cloud is 500 tons. So what can and who can understand 1,450 years ago the clouds are heavy? So Allah said it's heavy, and it's now people can realize it, the clouds are heavy because clouds carrying the water. And Allah said Allah bring these clouds to wherever He want to fall the rain. There is a miracle in the Quran that the miracle in the Quran that it said that the disbeliever, when they will go in the hellfire, Allah will change their skin again and again. One time burn the skin, change again. Then again burn the skin, change again. And then Allah says, so they can test the pain. They can test the pain continuously. Now what is it in the skin that why God said in the Quran that He is going to change the skin to people in the hellfire in the next life? Why? And there is a one scientist, when he heard about this verse of the Quran, he became Muslim. He testified the Quran is a book of Allah. Why? Because he know what the Quran means to say. Why to give the pain to the person, why it's need to change the skin? Because in the skin there are sensors. When these sensors are burned to 3rd degree, and after that you can prick the needle, like doctor, you want to check what is the burn degree. Is it 3rd degree burn? So he will put the needle here, and the person have no pain at all. It means he is a 3rd degree burn. His skin sensors are damaged. His skin is burned that low that the skin cells are damaged. He can feel no longer pain. Because what makes us pain is our skin sensor. There are sensors in the skin which feel pain, and then they bring it to the brain, the signals that you have a pain. But once your sensor burn, that time is too much pain, and then after that no more pain. Even the doctor will prick the needle, the person will not shout because his sensors are burned. So now this scientist, he says, La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Shadu la ilaha illallah wa shadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. I testify that there is no God except Allah. And I testify that Muhammad is really the prophet of God, the messenger of God. Why? Because this Quran was revealed to him 1,450 years ago, when nobody can mention about the sensors in the skin. And Allah said Allah is going to change the skin again and again so they can have a test of the pain, test of the fire. So this is a secret miracles. You cannot know it until you research scientifically, then you will know that that's a scientific miracle in the Quran.